Hello everyone, this is Anthony on Anthony No. No judgment, your story matters. Today's letter comes from a teacher who says, I was trusted by my students, but after one mistake, I lost everything. You poured your heart into your classroom, and in a single moment, you felt your world crash. You are feeling ashamed, isolated, and worried you'll never recover your reputation. First, thank you for sharing your story so bravely. I want you to know you're not alone. Even the best of us hit a rough patch and feel like we've lost our way. Let's break this down together. Number 1. Accept the hurt. Psychologists tell us that naming our emotions, sadness, anger, guilt, actually lowers our stress. Try this simple exercise. Write down each feeling on a sticky note. Stick them on a wall and give each one a chance to speak. You are not wallowing, you're giving yourself permission to heal. Next, practice self-compassion. It's okay to make mistakes. Research shows that people who forgive themselves bounce back faster. Talk to yourself like you would to a good friend. I made a serious error, but I'm learning from it. Whenever the inner critic shows up, respond with kindness. You can even imagine a supportive coach cheering you on. Then, let's talk action.
One of my favorite life hacks is the small win strategy.
Pick one tiny goal. Maybe send a sincere apology to a colleague. Or spend 5 minutes each morning brainstorming a new teaching plan. Celebrate every little victory. Did you send that email? Great. Did you jot down one new idea? Fantastic. These micro successes rebuild your confidence brick by brick. Another tip comes from social science. Rebuild trust through consistency. Trust isn't restored overnight, but it grows when you show up reliably. If you're ready to return to the classroom, start with small, honest steps. Share with your students, I'm working to be better for you. Invite their feedback. Let them see your genuine commitment to growth. You might also try journaling on gratitude. Every evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Over time, gratitude practice helps shift your focus from past mistakes to present possibilities. You notice hope creeping back in. I know it can feel scary to admit vulnerability, but vulnerability is the birthplace of connection and renewed trust. Brené Brown's research says that when we own our stories, even the painful part, we open the door to healing for ourselves and others. Finally, here's some gentle tough love. You can't change what happened, but you can decide who you want to be next. Every sunrise is a fresh start. Today, you can choose perseverance over shame. Take one step, any step, toward your new narrative. To our listener, you've lost a lot, but you haven't lost your capacity to learn, heal, and inspire. Keep going, keep showing up, and lean on your support network. Friends, family, mentors, you are more resilient than you know. That's our show for today. Thank you for trusting us with your story. Remember, mistakes don't define you, how you rise from them does. I'm Anthony, reminding you there's no judgment here, and your story matters. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep moving forward.